Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the factory BMW E90 Fender lights with LEDs from Morimoto. A link to these lights will be included in the video description, and I will be releasing a review video in the upcoming weeks. This is a direct plug-and-play setup, so no modifications are required for your vehicle. These also do not trigger any light errors on your car. It's always a good idea to wash your vehicle first so we do minimize the risk of scratching the paint. Grab firmly onto the front of the light, the portion facing towards the front of the vehicle, then push back and pull out. There will be a spring tang at the back side and a clip on the front side that needs to be disconnected on the fender's sheet metal. Once the light has been removed, as you can see, mine is covered in oil spray, so I'm wiping that off first. The bulb does have a retaining clip that needs to be disconnected with a standard screwdriver. These typically do break with age and heat. Again, I followed up with a clean rag to remove any of the oil spray so it doesn't cause any problems in the new light. Pull out the old light bulb. The new Morimoto replacements have the same style light bulb connector. Plug in the light bulb socket. Turn your four-way flashers on to ensure it is working correctly before pushing it back into the fender. After that is feeding the wire inside the light assembly. Then insert the bulb socket. Align the tabs and then twist it to lock it into place. Push a light back into the fender. The spring tab does go in first, and this will be facing towards the rear of the car. Then lock the front portion into place. This does take some patience. With the new gasket, it is a tight fit. To make sure it is locked into place, wiggle the light back and forth and give it a pull test. Moving on to the other side of the vehicle using the same procedure. Push a light towards the rear of the vehicle, then pull out the front portion and finally pull out the light completely. If your tabs are still in place, you can use a standard screwdriver to pop this tab out, and then rotate the bulb socket. Remove the socket from the old lens assembly. Pull out the old light bulb. I used a clean rag around the fender, ensuring there is no dirt causing any problems for the installation. Plug in the new LED light. Then test it to ensure it is working correctly. Now feed the wire into the light assembly, and then twist the bulb socket into place. This tab ended up breaking after reassembly. Again, insert the rear of the light first with the metal tang. Push the light all the way back, and then pop in the front portion. Once done, here you can see the new Morimoto LED replacement light assemblies. This does have a darker smoke look, not fully blacked out, but blends in nicely with the car. As mentioned earlier, the links for these lights will be included in the video description, so be sure to check them out. Also be sure to stay tuned for my review video in the upcoming weeks. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.